Right, we're in sport mode now, which means you might see the propellers and we're gonna go f***ing fast. We'll go straight up first.
There you go.
Where the f*** are we?
Okay, stop. We're still moving. Me. Oh, f***. How high are you?
84 meters. Low battery warning.
Send that thing down.
Oh, look at that!
Oh, sh**. That was great.
It's only 10 meters from us in the distance was. Too much high wind velocity with Grant because it's in sport mode. I'm just going to bring it back in a second.
Oh, that's amazing.
Beautiful, beautiful Brighton. Sunny, sunny Brighton, baby. There's a Seagull right up beside it there, is there?
Yes, no, listen what. Set it down. Yeah.
Okay, we're coming back down now because these seagulls are scaring the absolute shit out of me.
Alright, one seagull.
I'm just gonna watch the drone rather than look at the screen. Oh, mate, like, f*** off. Get down. Get the down, there's a seagull right beside it.
Oh!
Get the f*** down, boy.
No! Oh mate, I had a heart attack. Almost had a heart attack.
Oh man. It's a pity I don't have the other camera right now. Like the seagull literally taking the piss. Oh man. That was scary. That's DJI. Let's land her. I just landed over here.